What's up, guys? So today I'm here at Silversun estate. I'm standing on the front patio of one of the units in phase 3. Sorry, I almost put up two fingers, but it's phase 3. So I'm just going to run on the inside, show you guys what's happening. The surrounding is looking lovely, as you can see. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, guys, so that you can get further updates on these units. They're also working on phase 4. I'll give you an update on that. So I'm just going to jump on the inside here. Basically all these units are similar, but I'll just show you what's happening. And even from the front, as we walk up, you can see that they are already laying the mall for the driveway. And you know, you have your area where you plant your grass and you put your edging, your flowers, whatever it is that you want to do to make this space looking beautiful and look like your home. So we're just going to walk into the unit and see what's happening on the inside. So as you can see, there's a lot of red dirt, so you definitely need to plant up your grass. And you have your electrical outlets on the outside and your nice big window. Alright guys, so we step into this space. As you can see, the layout of the living, dining and kitchen. So the windows are pretty big and letting in a lot of light. So you'd have to work this space properly. Alright guys, and we are looking around. You can see your ceilings. This space here for your little dining room table, your chair. The counter has a cupboard space on this side for storage. So we'll get on the other side in a bit. So I just want you guys to get an idea of what the space looks like for your living room, including your dining area. So it's a good space to work with. You guys just need to lay out your furniture properly, and then you will see what you have to work with. And then inside this kitchen now, you have your cupboards, your window above your single sink. And for this counter, you realize that the cupboard space is split in two. So we have one on this side and the other on that side. So you can lay out your stuff properly. As you can see on the inside, you have a lot of space. They are not soft close. You have a space for your stove right here. More cupboard space. Big window overlooking your backyard. Don't be standing at your window to look over your neighbor's house. I'm just kidding. And guys, you have a lot of space. Even under the sink, there's space. The sink is very deep, even though it's a single sink. There's no water in the pipe just yet. Alright. Back door is closed as expected. So guys, the space is not bad. You can put your refrigerator right there. And it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So we'll just walk into this bedroom here. I'll try to provide you guys with this size on screen. Alright. So you have space above your closet for storage, your bifold doors, and this is your closet area. You really have to lay out your stuff properly. Alright guys. And again, we have the big windows on this side. And as you can see that these units are actually on the hill. Alright. And we have your bathroom right here. You have your mirror and your floating vanity with your drawer space. They're all functional. Your towel rack, And the faucets for the shower area is not in as yet, but you get a tub as well as your toilet. And there's a window there to let in some fresh air and some light. Alright guys, so this is the next bedroom where you have your bifold doors for your closet as you enter. It's pretty much the same size as the room that we viewed a while ago. Alright, and then this is the size of your other room with your big windows, your neighbors elevated way above you on the hill. As you can see, it's letting a lot of natural light. It's almost like a window is not here. Equipments are still here because they're working. So guys, this is the space of the room. It's a nice size. So you can just be wise with the selection of your furniture. So yes guys, that's pretty much what this unit looks like. I'll just head back on the outside to give you a quick walk around. It's a very peaceful community, as you can hear the birds chirping. So here we go, walking around this unit. As you can see, the impact of the dirt. Nice community, guys. This is your backyard area. So you just need to plant up your grass and do your landscaping and you will be just fine. So I'm going to give you guys an overhead shot of phase 3 at Silversun estate, and you guys can see what the rest of the place is looking like. Alright guys, so thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We have more updates coming to you from Silversun Estate. Yes guys, you don't want to miss that, so subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Feel free to also leave us a comment and let us know what you think of this property. You can tell us about other properties that you want to see, and we'll provide you with that update once it is possible for us to do so. So this is another property tour by ChriSamz. So thank you for taking the journey with us. Also feel free to check out our other videos on the channel. And guys, thank you so much for the support so far. All the best for the new year, and we'll catch you guys on the other side. So until then guys, just take care of yourself. All right.